Jamaica become crime free. In Jamaica and we're Jamaican for economy. No more breeder lasting. Revelation set. Eat once we grow once we eat. It is good for our economy.
Welcome once again to AgroBuzz, our weekly agriculture program right here on Durain's Coffee Break, as we bring you more news and views and interviews on developments in the very important agricultural and agro-industrial sector. Now, as we all know, Jamaica has a diverse terrain with plains and valleys, hillsides and mountaintops. Oh yes, it is these geographical features that contribute to the beauty of our wonderful country, and as a people we tend to live and work all over the country in all various nooks and crannies, and our farmers are, of course, no different in this regard. From riverside and mountains, from the east to the west, north and the south, Jamaican farmers can be found toiling away daily at their farming plots. And so the location of our farming communities makes it very important to have good access roads to these farms. In a sense, you have these wonderful products and produce at these farms and you can't reach to it or you can't get it out to the farms, you know? Now, the government is aware of this and through its National Farm Roads Improvement Program is committed to ensuring that farm roads are repaired and kept in good shape as necessary. So, to tell us all about this on this edition of AgroBuzz, about the National Farm Roads Improvement Program, I have Mr. Vaughn Barnaby, Senior Director, Production, Marketing and Special Projects at the Rural Agricultural Development Authority. Good morning to you, Mr. Barnaby. How's the morning?
Good morning. It's a very good morning. Thank you for having me and thank you for allowing out of this time.
Yes, man. It's a very important sector. And as I said, we need to be able to get the produce out and get things to come in to get the produce out. Yes, right.
True.
So let's get to the crux of the matter. Why is RADA's involvement in the National Farm Roads Program?
Well, RADA is the implementing agency for the program, which is funded by the government of Jamaica through the Ministry of Industrial Agriculture and Fisheries. And it is in line with the government initiatives towards economic development and economic growth. Because when agriculture grows, it will increase the production and productivity in agriculture, therefore having an impact on the overall economy. So that's technically why RADA we are actually involved in this, to ensure that farmers' produce can actually hit the market in good quality.
Absolutely, and I imagine that's why it's so important to have good farm roads. I mean, hey.
So right. Because the thing is, agricultural development is an integral part of overall economic development. You know, roads, transport plays an important role in agricultural development. That is, as it is a major means of moving agricultural produce from the farm to the market, and also moving the agricultural produce from outside of the communities inside the community. So it connects the community to the market, to other geographical locations, allows interaction, enhances the quality of life of the community members on the farm, because it increases the quality of life of the farm and the economic overall well-being of the farmer and the farm family.
Right. Now, tell us the specifics of this farm road improvement program. Why is it necessary at this particular time?
But as the government tries to have a better economic growth locally, as I said before, that agriculture has been one of those. If we look at past trends, when agriculture grows, the economy grows. So, as the Farm Road Improvement Program would help the farmers to access markets, better markets. It is also linked with the Tourism Linkages Initiative. Because what is happening is that we need to get produce out to the hotel and tourism sector in good quality.
Yes.
And the state of the road affects the quality of the produce going on.
And you need to get all the produce in good time as well.
In good time as well, right. This program is actually linked to the linkages network and the linkages initiative with the tourism, Ministry of Tourism.
Okay.
Secondly, the worst condition roads will cause higher costs to traverse them, which will impact the production and productivity of the farm.
Yes.
That we have. So in order to increase the productivity of farm, we have to improve the state of the road leading from those farms.
Got you. So how many roads are being targeted to repair, and what's the overall cost of it?
We're currently looking at 65 roads for the fiscal year 2017-2018 in 13 parishes. budgeted at 387 million Jamaican dollars.
Mm-hmm.
On average, what we're doing, we look at resurfacing the roads, establishing curbs and channels in some areas, so that we can actually have better road conditions.
Mm-hmm. Good.
And we can finish all works by mid-March.
Okay. And I know that RADA is very much involved, but I'm sure you have other contractors and stakeholders involved as well.
Right, because what happens is that we actually contract the works out to a number of contractors.
Yes.
Through the government procurement process, we advertise, persons express interest, and we evaluate those bids, and it is awarded based on least cost per bid and persons who would be registered with the NCC.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So those persons are the contractors on the ground actually do the work, and we now have our engineering department actually monitor these activities and ensure that it is done timely and of the quality that we would like.
Definitely.
And definitely we keep the council involved as to what we are doing, because we see them as a stakeholder as to what is happening.
Right, and I like the part about the time. Like when you give a time, it's been done by X. People want to know it finished by X.
Yes, definitely.
All right. I want to thank you very much, Mr. Vaughn Barnaby. We're going to be looking out and hearing and making sure that all these roads are done and done properly with the work and the time frame given, so that our farmers can get their produce out, so they can help everybody in a chain of events, eh?
Correctly. And thanks for having us.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much, Mr. Vaughn Barnaby, Senior Director, Production, Marketing and Special Projects at RADA. Very special guest this morning, telling us about the National Farm Road Improvement Project, now underway in some farming communities. And, of course, let us continue to support our farmers by eating what they grow, as they grow what we eat. And for more information on what's happening in the agricultural sector, please visit the Ministry's website at moa.gov.jm and miic.gov.jm. Follow them on Twitter and check them out on Facebook. And see you again next week on another edition of AgroBuzz.